Hi, I'm Jack Razmich with Razmich and Associates, and today we're going to talk about how a DUI conviction can make your life harder and what you can do about it. An Indiana DUI conviction can impact your life in ways that you would never imagine. That's why if you're facing DUI charges, it is crucial to find an experienced criminal defense attorney right from the start. The sooner you start preparing your defense, the better chance you have for a positive outcome and a minimal impact on your life. Here are 5 ways that DUI convictions in Indiana can make your life much harder. Number 1, jail time. Naturally, your life is going to be much harder if you have to go to jail for your conviction. Under Indiana law, DUIs are what are known as enhanceable offenses. That means the more of them you pick up, the more severe the penalties become. For example, if you have a previous DUI conviction on your record and you were convicted of a new DUI offense, that is a mandatory minimum sentence of 5 actual days in the county jail. If you have 2 or more DUI convictions on your criminal history, that is a mandatory minimum sentence of 10 days in the county jail. Being in prison puts your job, your stable family life, and certain professional licenses at risk. You would also lose your right to vote while in prison, although it's very unlikely that you would be in prison over an election day. It could happen though, and that is a potential penalty to be aware of. Number 2, driver's license suspensions. In Indiana, a DUI conviction can result in a loss of your driving privileges for anywhere between 30 days up to 2 years. Not having a driver's license can impact your life in numerous ways, particularly if your job requires a valid license or if you'll have trouble getting to work. It is possible that your defense attorney may be able to stay some or all of that license and get you what is known as a specialized driving privileges license that will allow for you to drive to and from work. But the loss of your driving privileges is a serious ongoing impact. There are also usually reinstatement fees and special insurance requirements that are required after having a DUI conviction, and it will count towards you being what's known as a habitual traffic violator. Number 3, employment difficulties. A DUI conviction is in fact a criminal conviction. That means that you will have a permanent criminal record. Unless the court seals that conviction at a later point in time through the expungement process, future employers will see this conviction when running a background check, which can jeopardize your ability to get hired. As we've discussed in previous videos, having a criminal record is not a protected class that would prevent a state like Indiana, which is an at-will employment state, from determining not to hire you based off of that criminal history. Number 4, child custody. Believe it or not, in a child custody battle, your spouse might be able to use your criminal history against you. Indiana courts determine custody cases on a case-by-case basis by evaluating what is in the best interest of the child. That includes taking into account criminal histories of the parents. If one parent has a history of operating while intoxicated offenses or other substance abuse related offenses on their record, that can be something the court takes a look at and makes a determination that they may not be an appropriate parent to have permanent or primary custody of that child. Number 5, a restricted ability to travel. Some countries may actually bar you from entering with a DUI conviction, or at least make it much more difficult for you to enter. Mexico, China, Japan, Malaysia, South Africa, and even Canada are just a few of the countries that restrict entry or require a special waiver for a person with a DUI conviction. That means that if your job requires you to travel internationally and you have a DUI conviction, you may have difficulty fulfilling the obligations of your employment. If you're facing a DUI charge in Indiana, it is crucial to have a skilled criminal defense attorney fighting on your behalf. A good attorney can minimize or in some cases help you outright avoid some of these penalties. Here at Razmich and Associates, we have handled numerous DUI offenses over the years, and we would be more than happy to help answer your questions as well. If you or somebody that you know has been charged with a DUI offense, please contact our office right away at 317-983-5333. We have operators standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all with the goal and purpose of getting you onto our calendars for a free case evaluation. That case evaluation is always free and it always will be. The only thing that you are investing is your time. And that time will be spent making sure that you have answers to all of your questions and that you leave our office fully armed with the knowledge that you need to make the best possible decision for yourself and your family moving forward. The telephone number again is 317-983-5333, and I look forward to helping you. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. If you really like this video, please feel free to share it on the social media platform of your choice. Here at Razmich & Associates, we are lawyers ready to fight. We are fighting for you, for your freedom, and for your future. The more eyes that we're in front of, the more people we're fighting for. The more people we're fighting for, the freer we make everybody's future. If you have a topic that you would like for me to discuss in a future video, please drop a line down in the comment section below. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, and I will look forward to speaking with you at the next video. Thanks for watching.